Hi everyone, welcome back to my show Kitchen Adventures Season 2. I would like to thank everyone for wishing me and giving great feedback on my videos. So let's hop on to the videos, shall we? Before we are on, I would like to thank Maze Color for sponsoring this video. Thanks sponsored by Maze Color. Today I'm going to make Nugget Wrap. First we have to make chicken nuggets. The ingredients we need are: we need chicken and bread and salt and pepper and garlic and ginger, chili powder, Thai powder, egg, soy sauce, breadcrumbs and oil. Making this to mission and bread, and making this to mission this and this to mission and this to mission and this to mission this bread again and to mission this to and this to making this to blender to mix bread that slice to making it for making. This and chicken and this thing. This is chicken recipes blender and the salt and the bread, 2 black pepper and 2 recipes to making the mission fancy. To making this to and making this to mission and making 2 chili powder recipe. And Thai powder to making this and making this to recipe. And ginger to making this to garlic and garlic to making this and garlic bread. And ginger make 2 recipes and ginger bread. Make 2 soy sauce and a mission friend 2 recipes and a friend 2 chicken and blender and to mix it and the blender and making 2 blender mixing. Make this the chicken nuggets. Making this and pressure and these 2 chicken nuggets and 2 fried and chicken nuggets to make and this 2 spring and chicken spring chicken nuggets and spring 2 chicken nuggets and making this to mission and chicken nuggets name. The pan, making these two on the pan. Now I'm going to make salad for and wrap. I'm making this to mix it salad.
So mix part of the ice.
Add more mayonnaise and to salad to mayonnaise. Now I'm going to make wrap. Chicken wrap. Do you want to eat this?
Add salad.
Chicken wrap to this, and this making this to make it full. Restaurant to food.
Tell something. How is it? Tasty?
Very tasty. Thank you, Miss for sponsor video. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you for Facebook. Thanks for like and share. Thanks for Twitter. Thanks for like, share this video. Till next time, bye.